Okay. You see, I clone your repo, right? This is your repo. So
it just has access to the web.
yeah, this is a repo, right? So but I fork it, so you know the fork, right? This is a repo. I want to make contributions to. I want to make changes. I need to fork it to my account first, and after I create pull request, that process, right? This is
since it's none on the iPad, I just use the website.
Yeah, I know. But this is the proper process. So I have forked it to my account, right? So I want to create a branch.
It sounds like a certain swear word.
What?
You saying fork sounds like a certain swear word.
No, fork. You know the fork, right? not the other F word, okay? Okay, so now I want to check features, okay, or make changes, right? That's it. And I'm creating a new branch for making the changes. Now
it doesn't look pretty.
This is the Visual Studio Code, and then you got
that
all the
looks
files.
way better.
Yeah, this is the files. And then
I think that part
yeah?
looks better than that part.
No, this is the terminal. So you have these are current latest version in the website, right? So I want to make changes. So now I'm going to tell the agent. This is agent. So what should I do? What should we do? Clean up the repo, make it more professional. Okay. Clean up the repo and make it more.
Can you view the website in Visual Studio Code?
Sorry?
Or can you view it in the Visual Studio Code?
Good question. Yes, but I think yes. I haven't tried it before.
It's like Xcode and Android.
Yeah, it's actually
shows it the entire app.
but that's fine. That's fine. We can preview. And now wait. Any more thing? Can you double repo make it more professional? You can organize the files. Okay. I think this is kind of. Let's see what happens. Okay? Let's press it.
You can put it in alphabetical order.
That's fine. That is fine. So this is. So it's currently you will read all the files that right. Okay, creates it has this chain of source. So AI, you know what's chain of source? So AI do something. So actually there's a famous principle of this AI. So it's called React. So think.
I know React. I heard
think.
It.
So the AI think, do something, yeah, and then observe, and then repeat this process. Okay. So yeah, the AI will think, oh, what should I do? I give it instruction, and the AI will think, oh, what should we do? Okay, and then he do something, and then he observe it, right? So look at this. It do some commands, right? And then it just doing stuff in the background.
It's like GitHub Copilot.
Sorry.
It's like GitHub Copilot.
Yes, GitHub Copilot. Yeah, and then it's free. Everybody can use it for free.
Can you use Gemini with it as well?
Good question. I'm not quite
And
sure.
Claude.
Copilot is Microsoft's, and then it has this free tier. And before it cost $10
No,
per
that's
month.
for Copilot Pro.
Yeah. Okay.
But I think before there was only a 5-question limit.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at it. It's to do right. This is the plan. It's going to explore, read, do something, right?
Oh,
it's just like
that.
Yeah, it's just like it's just like a personal assistant, right? This is good. Okay, and then you say, okay, you want to, okay, let's just allow it. Okay, I have no idea, but
you should make one of those.
Yeah.
You on your phone to do.
Okay.
The reminder that you should do that or something, or just use like to do or Google Tasks. If you have Google Calendar, use Google Tasks.
Yes.
They combine it together.
Okay, so this is very powerful, right? It runs the background task, right? And then you can actually issue it a command and go have a cup of coffee, okay? Even before you sleep, you issue a command and then the
Can you
days.
use Claude Code on your phone to control the PC? And just ask Claude Code to...
I think that OpenClaw, yes. But it has so much power and then it's
Claude,
very, very dangerous if you give it too much information, right? For example, if you give it like the keys to your Bitcoin wallet, then it might just,
but if you're
just
using,
send money out to other people,
if you're using
right?
Claude Code or something, you could just not allow it to use it, because why would you want Claude Code to access that?
Yeah.
There's not really a reason why you wanted to access it.
Okay. Yeah, it's true. Okay, we write back. Okay, so I have no idea. The Vanilla JS.
Yeah, because that one didn't actually work in HTML, so they've written it in JavaScript, but you can't put JavaScript in there.
Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't break this page. But I think okay. Yeah. But this is the kind of like can you install this on iPad? Probably not, right?
You don't have Visual Studio Code on the iPad. Unless you like.
But on a Mac, yes.
Yeah, on Mac, but Mac's trash Mac.
Windows is better, right?
Yeah, I'd rather actually get a Windows one.
Okay, so do you like all my laptop?
No, I don't want your one.
So I have one reason to change. You know, if you want it.
Eric wants it.
Okay.
Mom asked Eric if he wanted a new laptop, and he's like, sure, because I don't think he likes it. I mean, he doesn't really care, I don't think.
Yeah. That's the thing. He doesn't have
I mean,
mind.
on
look, he has okay. I want to keep. Okay, you can remove it. I think what file is it? Breakout. What's breakout?
Is it Atari game?
Okay. Look, it's proposing some changes. You can review, right? Okay, let's keep. So for now, I'm just going to accept everything suggestions, and then we see.
Oh yeah, he's using Claude Opus.
Okay.
He's using Claude.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, of course you can choose others, right? You can choose GPT or things. So, but
wasn't there like a cool myth, like they made Mythos or something that was escape, that like could escape from book and tell the exploits for it or something, how to escape.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Also on the Mac, can you install Linux on it so you could run Visual Studio Code on that? Because I think you might be able to do that. Unplugged is more of a Windows. I'm not sure.
Yes. Okay. So it's still
like
doing something. Yeah.
I'd rather get like a Windows PC that's.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want that one though. That one's too chunky, chunky, too loud. The Intel thing is kind of loud, very loud.
Okay.
He's
So
a very big fan.
So have you seen that? Look. Let's look. It's making lots of changes, right, to make it more professional. That's what I say, right? So AI, look. You can get status. This is just saying the changes, right? Look. Why it delete my files? It moved it to images. Okay. It moved it to
clean up the files.
Yes, that's very good. Okay. Let's just try to accept everything. Okay, and don't worry, we can revert if you are not happy. But I think AI is doing a good job, right? And then this is so many changes. Look, if I want to do it, I need to spend time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but now I got like AI assistant do this little trivia things here and there, and then. Look, I just ask one sentences. I just have one prompt, and then it just do this. Look, the Chinese characters causing issue is matching. Let me try different approaches. Look, it's doing something, right? It's even talking to Excel to accelerate this process. Okay, I think, and then. Okay, so keep. Let's just try to keep. Okay, that's the last to do. Okay, so now it's done, right? Preparing completed. Okay. So before you're saying which game is not working? Breakout is not even working, right?
It wasn't working in HTML. It works in JavaScript, but you couldn't put JavaScript directly into the HTML.
Okay, let's just go and ask it to fix the games if it's broken. Okay.
Yeah, but first need to see if it actually fixed it.
No. Just do a code review. Just improve all the HTML games, and then so what is he trying to say? Okay, look. Here is the
title.
List of the changes.
Buttons.
Yes. Let's try fix proof.
The toy buttons.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No worry. If you want to have these toy buttons, you have another experiment, right?
It's fine.
And don't worry, it's not going to be disappeared because it's recorded. It's tracked in the history, so you can always see what has been the changes. It's not gone, right? And then if you want to experiment, you can always add it back, right? Okay, so let's say, okay, then let's say, can you review all the games and fix them if they are broken? Okay. Also
improves the do code.
It's part of that problem. Right? Improve the code and make it more structured and readable. Okay. Wait.
No, and then.
What? Tell me. Please. Okay, you don't need to say please to you said please. That's extra 1 or 2 tokens. Let's cost money. You know the tokens.
Type in Chinese.
Chinese is more saving the tokens, right? You know the tokens cost money, right? Yeah. So you actually pay for the tokens.
Money well spent.
Okay. So what is trying to say? Fix. Okay. So look, it has these to dos, right? So AI would just look for the games, and then for each one, you just issue one command to improve it. So this is actually very powerful.
You do this in Microsoft?
Yes, I use that a lot. So look, I think this is definitely changed the way of the new software engineering, right?
Wasn't there like an old Visual Studio Code?
No,
2022.
No, I think the Visual Studio.
Wasn't that one like a purple one or something? The purple the one where it was purple. I think that looked cooler.
Okay.
I think at least. Or yellow, I can't remember.
But now the repo, the code what's missing is the test. There's no test, right? So
Yeah,
we don't know. We don't know if we broke it, right? So, but that's fine. We can edit it.
There was like it says something up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is for my I saw the Minesweeper one. They're like, I can't. It says I think
it's fine. It's fine. So there's no test. So you can't actually. Okay, let me have a look. Yeah, I cannot see. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so people can see it.
See cheating.
No, this is. So this is just like the new way of software engineering. Okay, coding is just like becomes the smallest part of the entire software development. Okay, so basically AI writes most of the tasks, and then all you have to do is to ask AI to work with AI, ask AI to do those things that AI can do, and then you have this big plan to glue everything together, right? Basically.
It says it's still a Minesweeper, but I think it's done more than Minesweeper.
Let's see what do we have. Git diff is another command to see the changes, right? You can say git status. Let's say you want to see the file of the changes is proposing to this, right? Modify. Then you can say git diff is difference index. Okay, and then here the red would be the lines to remove, green to add, right? Yeah, it's very simple to understand, right? Okay, here's all the changes, right? Look, right, remove this, add this, so it's very useful. But it's a little bit slow, right? It's a little bit slow, but evaluating, but
it's still sunny outside and it's 6 p.m.
It's summer is coming.
No, it's not spring. It's only April. I'd expect that in like July. July, August.
To do August, this is going to take a while.
Oh, don't you have a beefy PC over there?
What's BPPC?
Beefy. Powerful.
Yeah, but this is still a little bit. That was like 4 years ago. So this PC.
Then why don't they give you a new one if they gave you the new Surface laptop? Well, not new, but Surface Laptop 7. Well, it's the newest.
I know. Yeah, look, this is actually very powerful. How
Isn't
many? 20? I didn't know that I have these 20 processors in here. Now tell me, no, this is in the.
Isn't IO ports? How much the ports on it?
Yes. Okay, so let's see. Oh, 20 processor. This is actually very powerful. And 64 gigabyte RAM.
The 19th one looks pretty.
i9. It's very nice.
i9. That's pretty old. Well, didn't they rename it to Ultra 9 or something?
Yeah.
There's still. If you tell it to hurry up, will it hurry up or slow down?
I don't want to break the process, but it's doing something. Apparently, it's run the command. You can actually go and have a look at what command. Okay, it's doing something. Wow, it's actually very skillful to be able to run those commands, right? Okay, good. 40 value. No, probably use double hyphen. Okay, so it's doing this code cleanup with the better coding style. Okay, so actually I don't think this matters. I mean, this is for like coding style linting. No, not linting, linked. LINT.
I know the website LinkedIn.
Oh, not linking, linked. Okay, and.
I know links.
Okay, so okay, you asked me to do something. Let's try allow all commands in this section. Okay, so okay, look, actually doing in parallel. Do you see that? Yeah, it's not following one by one, right?
But it's only done 3 out of 7.
Let's try improve CSS well. Fix chest undo bug. Okay, so there's an undo bug. Review breakout. So maybe we can do something at the same time. Can we? Okay. Keep. So can
you right click and say keep or fit? Keep everything or something.
So there's a preview. Can we preview current? No, preview. There's nothing to preview the HTML. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, keep. Yes. Wow. Okay, verify all changes. We're almost there.
That's quick.
Yeah, that was quick.
So did all of them like at once, and then when they did all of them just?
Yeah.
Did it all
You know, for these kind of work changes, if I want to do it manually, it's going to take me like a
10
day.
hours.
A day, okay. At least a day to do this, right?
Mhm.
But we here like 10-20 minutes. So let's see how many changes. Wow, so many changes. Okay. And I'm going to add all of it, and then you can. Okay, now it's done. It's done all the jobs, and then it's evaluating. I am not quite sure how it evaluates, but it give me a nice summary of all the bugs fixes.
Scaling bug, double fire.
Okay, and then I'm going to create a pull request. You go to approve it, and then we see how it goes.
Okay.
Right? Wait, not yet. Now it's done, right? Okay. So now we got the changes here. I'm going to add everything, right? Git add everything, and I'm going to state. Okay, this green thing is meaning it's already on the stage area, and then I'm going to say git commit, right? Commit, say changes by AI, okay? And now I'm going to push origin and to the changes branch.
What
Okay.
those icons? These icons look nice. What are those? Is that from Admin?
This is the calendar. What's this? Fires, the people. Okay, now it's pushed to the remote. Okay, so I'm gonna here, right here, and then you choose there, right? Changes had the reason push. Okay, now I'm going to create compare. These are I haven't done. Actually, human needs to review all the changes. Right? These are the changes reviews. Okay, so I'm going to skip this because it's too much to review. And it's not very it's a remote thing. It's not very critical project. I'm going to create pull request, and then once you approve the pull request, and it's going to deploy to your site and always see you, right? Okay. So can we do it now? Okay. That's it. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.